Rugged smartphones are increasingly attractive options for many users plagued with one too many times by a shattered screen or an overheated battery. But Nomu is bringing something a little different to the table. The Nomu M8 offers everything you would expect of a rugged built phone. It's waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof. Most rugged smartphones have the heavy, bulky feel of a device in a case, but the M8's 5.2-inch display, 9.7mm thickness, and a light 200-gram heft make it as attractive as the latest flagships. In spite of its elegant appearance, the M8 boasts ultra-rugged military standard certifications that ensure toughness inside and out. The device clears IP68 and IP69K protection levels simultaneously, so you can carelessly drop it on the water or even on the ground. As a bonus, both the aluminum alloy frame and the glass cover have been coated with antibacterial tech that is very hostile to bacterial growth. This makes the M8 a smartphone that's rugged not just to protect itself, but also to protect you. The M8 is also powerful and smooth, with the use of brand new 8X Cortex-A53 64-bit 1.5GHz processor and a large capacity 4GB RAM plus 64GB of storage. The GPU loaded on this device can definitely please the game players for offering graphics that is more vibrant and saturated. The battery that comes on this is a 3000 mAh unit and it's very long lasting. You can play games, browse social media, take it anywhere. It doesn't affect the battery too much because it comes with quick charge that saves your time and makes your time efficient. Plus features like LTE, OTG, fast charging support, a Type-C port, and even NFC are rarely to be found on budget phones, but the M8 flaunts it like a champ. The phone is also equipped with 4 LED running lights, which can display different effects in different states. When the phone receives a message, the warm and cool lights flash alternatively for one time. When there's a call or the alarm rings, 4 lights illuminate sequentially in one direction. I have to say, it's a very cool way of incorporating the notification LED. The camera is also something worth mentioning about, with both front and rear cameras having 16-megapixel sensors that produce vibrant and detailed photos. Especially selfies, because most phone companies tend to put lower resolution cameras on the front, unlike the M8, which has a 16-megapixel sensor. Now coming to the display, it is just 720p, but it can get bright and vibrant, and a lower resolution display does mean more battery life. Plus you can also tinker with the settings like changing the color profile, enable enhanced color, etc. Watching YouTube or movies is rather pleasant with this display, but the sound is not. The sound is pretty teeny, and to be honest, you can't hear the speaker if there is background noise. But the earpiece is quite the opposite. It provides clear audio, and the mic cancels the environmental noise, making sure you have a great call quality. Finally, all I want to say is that this is a great phone if you're looking for something that's rugged, looks sleek, and doesn't break your bank. Plus, with features like the fingerprint scanner, 16-megapixel cameras, and waterproofing, it's certainly a phone to consider buying. So that's it for this video guys. Do leave a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon if you don't want to miss out on some more upcoming content. And as always, thanks for watching. This is Saman signing out.